So now Spencer is going to guess a fidget name. So
this isn't even a minute past the other video. It's not even.
What do you think this is called?
A flower fidget.
A what?
A flower fidget.
No.
I know.
It looks like it looks like a flower, but it's actually called a dimple digits.
Oh yes, I remember that.
Okay. Now
don't laugh at me in the comments.
We don't have our comments on, I don't think. Here, what do you think this is called?
Neato.
Yeah. It says Neato on it. Okay, what do you think this is called here?
Take it.
What do you think that's called? Show the camera.
It's called a bunion.
No.
Okay, hold on. This is honestly ugly. It's supposed to be a rabbit. A squishy.
No, a splat ball.
Oh my gosh, I had a bunch
Okay.
of these, I just forgot.
Next. What is this called? Spencer. Okay, what do you think that's called? Show the camera. Yeah, what do you...
I like this color. A straw. It looks like the straws that you get from Bob Evans.
What do you think it's called?
A straw.
It's called a pop tube.
Oh no, that's obvious.
You better know what this is called.
A pirate wheel.
I'm not even going to. Here, let me just take it out so you can play with it.
What's a fidget spinner?
Yeah, a fidget spinner, not a pirate wheel. Ooh.
This is cool. This is a good idea.
I want to see what you want to call this one. This one.
The multiple ball.
It's so.
It's
It's like a thing that you can pop
Oh
bubbles.
my gosh, hold on.
Here.
Allie, wait, put your hand out like that. I'll put it in.
Okay. Good job. Good job. What do you think that's called?
Did it used to have sound to it?
I think it's always been like that. I think it's just supposed to make that little tiny popping sound. What do you think it's called?
A pop fidget.
I have no clue what that's called. I've always called it a bubble wrap popper thing.
Oh,
Okay, what is this called?
When did you get these? My friends I came to school like last week with just one.
I've had those for like 2 years. I have had that because before fidgets were popular, I got it like 2 years ago.
I know for a fact this was not made 2 years ago. A year ago.
No, let me search it. What year was the fidget toy marble and mesh made?
It's called a marble and mesh.
It doesn't say what year. It doesn't say. When was a marble mesh? When was a marble and mesh made? It doesn't say. But look, someone made fidget toy review March 31st, 2017.
Oh, that's like 3 years ago.
Yeah, so they were made.
Yeah, she's right. These are old.
Next, this. I also really like these fidgets.
A fidget ring.
No, it says Tangle on it.
Oh yeah, I
It
can
says
see it.
it's a Tangle. Right here. It says Tangle. So, yeah. What fidget name do you want to guess next? Oh, that's also Tangle.
Another tangle.
Guess this one.
A fidget block.
No, an infinity cube.
No.
What's this one? All of you fidget people out there, you should know. Did you just fart?
No.
You should know what this is called.
It looks like part of the Olympic thing. Logo. The ring. I said it looks like that part
What
of
do
it.
you think it's called?
Top part.
Olympic rings?
No.
Okay. Teach yourself. Yes. Okay, what do you think it is then?
The ringers.
Nope. Bike chain. Next.
How is it a bike chain?
I don't know. That's what it's called.
Oh my gosh, you bought these like weeks ago. She bought these like a week ago.
No, I didn't.
I mean week like a month ago I should have said.
Yeah. Think.
A whole fidget.
A whole fidget? It's magnetic rings. Okay. No, stop. No, don't. No, I know what you're thinking. Next, what is this?
This is a slinky.
Yeah, that's right. Good job.
Well, duh.
What's this?
How far can this stretch?
Far enough that I've tested, but don't push it too far or it might break.
Scrunchy fidget.
No. Fidget ring. I mean sensory ring. A sensory ring. Now that.
This is oil inside.
What do you think it's called then?
An oil tube.
A water timer. What
Really?
is
This is
this
a water
called?
timer? A squishy.
No. It's called like a balloonist pet or something.
Ew.
I'm pretty sure it's called a balloonist pet.
Get lost.
Here's this one. That one's pretty simple.
You just pull these out. This is a pea pod.
So close. It's a pea popper.
No.
A lot of people call them pea pods. Well, a lot of people when they guess
It is a
fidgets.
pea pod.
No, a lot of people when they like guess fidgets, like moms or dads or stuff on like TikTok videos,
Oh my.
they say like pea poppers or something.
What pea
What are
popper is
these?
what it's called.
They're called monkey. I mean that. I almost gave it away. These are called pea poppers. Pea poppers.
You now gave me the answer. I heard monkey. Girl.
No.
Okay. Some monkey pole.
Monkey noodles.
Oh.
These are like textured monkey noodles or something, and I'm not quite sure because like normal monkey noodles, they're not looking like this, but like when I watch videos, they just call them like monkey noodles, but they're textured. So yeah, I just call them like textured monkey noodles. What is this called?
A peep. A peep squishy.
Yep, it's called a squishy. Okay.
Everybody knows that.
Okay, I'm gonna end. Oh, I want to do two more things. Actually. Okay, what is this?
My sister has one of those.
Which sister? Megan?
Yes. fidget cube.
Are you serious?
I don't care. I forget.
We were just playing with fidget cubes in the other video.
Oh my.
That's a wacky track. Next, this one.
A zipper.
That's so close. Super close. It's a zippy bracelet or a zipper bracelet, whatever. You like to call it.
Oh.
That's usually
It
what people
connects.
call them. Yeah. Bye, guys.